Hey, I'm shopping at Walmart for some food, and I happened to come across their dog food section. So I'm gonna do a quick run through to compare prices to Fleet Farm and or other stores. This is their kibble and bits, 45-pound bag for about $26.83. This is like the original flavor, beef and chicken flavors. Smaller bag are up there for about $13, which is a 16-pound bag. This is the All Roy roasted chicken and rice flavor. It's about $27. 50-pound bag. Purina dog chow, 46-pound bag, the complete chicken flavor for $27.28, 46-pound bag. Pedigree, their adult complete nutrition grilled steak flavor and vegetable flavor for $25.98, 44-pound bag. Puppy chow, 16.5-pound for $14.57. I can't find the bigger one, the 32 or 36-pound bag. 18.5-pound bag dog chow for $15.48. And of course the dog chow for like $14 up here. This other one is like the high protein with red meat, beef and lamb flavor, 44-pound bag for $30.77. And then of course over here like the smaller bags for like about $14. These are like the 14-pound bag. Purina beanful burger bag down there are about 40-pound bag. 40-pound bag farmer's chicken for 38 something, about $39 a bag. Iams, this large breed chicken grain recipe is for $41.86. 30-pound bag. Smaller bag up here is for $26.98. That is a 15-pound bag. Same here over here as for the puppies, $26.98 as well. 15-pound bag.
Incontinence aisle in pharmacy for customer assistance.
Large breed puppy brand, $41 or so. Pro Plus, these are a little bit more in price. There's a Purina one healthy weight. It's like $28.67 for a 16.5-pound bag. Same thing over here. Just different same brand, just different wording for the dogs. Down here is like one of their I would say one of their better quality, which is like the Purina one with lamb and rice formula for like about $54. Same here for the chicken and rice formula, $56. Smaller bags are up here, $27.58 for a 16.5-pound bag. This is like one of the real expensive one. Purina one True Instinct high protein with beef and salmon for like $33.98. 15-pound bag. The 56-pound bag are gone. This Pure Balance brand 24-pound bag for $32.88. Then over here, Rachel Ray stuff. The Pure Balance again, Blue wilderness 40, 41 and 74 for a 11-pound bag. Yeah. Get your A stuff again. Neutral. Pure balance. Lamb and rice. Lamb bean recipe for like 46 for a 24-pound bag. Okay. Same here. This is just a chicken and brown rice. And then the Buffalo brand, 15-pound bag for like about $17.58. That's for the 5-pound bag. Let's see. For the 15-pound bag, might be a little bit more, about like $36 or so. Yeah. Same down here, 36.47 for this Buffalo Blue brand bag, chicken and brown rice recipe. Same here, 36.47. Yep, we're just comparing prices to Fleet Farms dog food, where they carry some of the diamond brands. You know, of course, they all have more qualities and more options than Walmart. But I guess can't go wrong with puppy chows, because that's pretty much everywhere if you need dog food ASAP or so.